Welcome to Best Pickup.
10 Best Electric Kettles. We are going to check out top 10 best electric kettles in current time. I mean, this list is best my personal opinion, and I try to list them best on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about this electric kettles, you can check out the link down in the description and comments section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Top 10.
Courant 1.5-liter kettle, red stainless steel cordless electric kettle with 360-degree rotational body, automatic safety shut-off, perfect for tea, coffee, hot chocolate, soup, hot water. Beautiful design and adaptability. Courant 1-liter electric kettle made of stainless.
Top 9.
Cosori electric gooseneck kettle, smart Bluetooth with variable temperature control, pour over coffee kettle and tea kettle, 100% stainless steel inner lid and bottom, quick heating, matte black, smart functions. Enjoy full control of your kettle through your smartphone by connecting it to the free VESync app. With VESync, you can adjust your kettle's temperature, change the hold temp time, and schedule when you want your water to boil. You can also customize your own preset using the MyBrew function precise temperatures. Cosori's gooseneck kettle features 4 precise temperature presets, so your tea is brewed just right. It also has a hold temperature function that keeps water at the same temperature for 60 minutes. Premium materials. The durable kettle.
Top 8.
Cuisinart CPK-17 PerfecTemp 1.7-liter cordless electric kettle, stainless steel, convenient. The 1.7-liter stainless steel cordless electric kettle has 1500 watts for fast heat up and a concealed heating element to prevent mineral buildup. Removable washable scale filter and boil-dry protection. Custom controls. One-touch controls, 30-minute keep warm option, stay cool non-slip handle, 360-degree swivel power base for a cordless experience. And egg.
Top 7.
Cuisinart CPK-17 PerfecTemp 1.7-liter cordless electric kettle, stainless steel, convenient. The 1.7-liter stainless steel cordless electric kettle has 1500 watts for fast heat up and a concealed heating element to prevent mineral buildup. Removable washable scale filter and boil-dry protection. Custom controls. One-touch controls, 30-minute keep warm option, stay cool non-slip handle, 360.
Top 6.
Hamilton Beach 41020R 1.7-liter variable temperature electric kettle for tea and hot water, cordless, keep warm, LED indicator, auto shut-off and boil-dry protection, stainless steel, faster than a microwave and safer than stovetop kettle. The cordless electric kettle is faster for preparing up to 1.7 liters of hot water than a microwave and safer than a stovetop kettle. 6 one-touch temperature settings. The stainless steel electric kettle heats water precisely for different teas, French press coffee, and hot cocoa for perfect results every time.
Top 5.
Cosori electric kettle, 1500W wide mouth, glass tea kettle and hot water boiler, Auto-Shutoff&Boil-Dry protection, LED indicator, inner lid and bottom, black. Superior materials. Your kettle is made with high-quality borosilicate glass and 304 stainless steel to keep your water safe and tasting pure for years to come. Larger mouth. Your kettle is designed with a wide-open 4.3-inch 110mm mouth for quick cleanup of any residue or limascale using lemon juice or baking soda. Convenient and detailed, specially.
Top 4.
Hamilton Beach glass electric tea kettle, water boiler and heater, 1 liter, cordless, LED indicator, auto shut-off and boil-dry protection, 40,930, clear, fast and.
Top 3.
Elite Gourmet EKT 1001B electric BPA-Free glass kettle, cordless, 360 degrees base, stylish blue LED interior, handy auto shut-off function, quickly boil water for tea and more. 1L, graphite black. Here's the quickest way to enjoy your delicious hot tea every single day. Now you don't have to wait for ages just to have a cup of tea. The Elite Gourmet cordless electric water kettle is here to help you enjoy your sizzling hot cup of tea quickly and easily. Just pour some water in the 1-liter tank and select the temperature.
Top 2.
Smeg Electric Kettle Matte Champagne Design. This retro-style electric kettle has a powder-coated steel body with a stylish 3D Smeg logo on the body and a polished chrome handle, a stainless steel spout, and stainless steel bowl lever knob. 1.7 L7 cup fill capacity. Dimensions: 8.9 liters x 6.7.
Top 1.
Cuisinart CPK17 PerfecTemp 1.7-liter cordless electric kettle, stainless steel convenient. The 1.7-liter stainless steel cordless electric kettle has 1500 watts for fast heat up and a concealed heating element to prevent mineral buildup. Removable washable scale filter and boil-dry protection custom controls. One-touch controls, 30-minute keep warm option, stay cool non-slip handle, 360° SW.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.